Waterborne diseases have spiked in regions that are prone to flooding as residents of Nyatike in Migori County continue to report an increase in typhoid cases. Residents say that they have been forced to resort to open defecation following destruction of latrines by floods, which they note is a major cause for sanitation-related diseases. They are calling on the government to provide necessary sanitation facilities.
The effects of the ongoing rains are beginning to take a toll on residents in Nyatike, who are decrying what they say are increasing cases of sanitation-related diseases. The residents of Nyora, Kabuto and Angugo are reporting an increase in diseases like typhoid due to the use of contaminated water. Juliet Anyango, a resident, explained that a majority of latrines in the Angugo area have collapsed due to the floods, leading to open defecation.
Hatuna vyoo. Vyoo tuko nazo tumejenga, lakini maji yakijaa yanaporomoka. Sasa unakuta watu wakienda kwa choo, wakaenda kujisaidia alu, unakuta mtu anaenda kwa maji, hiyo maji inakimbia ina spread. Na hiyo maji ndio still watu wanatumia.
Kila wakati mvua ikinyesha, ninajenga choo wakati jua iko, lakini mvua ikikuja choo inaanguka. Sasa kwa hii choo yangu hii ni ya 4 tangu nianze kujenga choo.
The residents noted that they are facing challenges accessing health services due to flooding. They have called on the government to intervene and provide necessary facilities such as mobile latrines.
Ugonjwa iko juu kila wakati napeleka watoto tumbo mara nini wanaara. Sasa I think ni hiyo choo ndio inaleta shida.
Sanitation is very dire in this area, and I do request that some improvements should be done. Especially I would appeal that we can get mobile toilets.
Separately in Mandera County, severe flooding has sparked fears of food shortages as prices continue to soar. The heavy downpour has submerged major roads to the town of Mandera East, with some routes completely impassable.
Ukienda kwa soko hautapata vitu za kununua kwa sababu barabara imekatika kwa sababu ya mvua.
Over the last 2 days, Mandera has endured continuous heavy rainfall, resulting in displacement of 39,000 individuals and the destruction of over 8,000 homes. For Lunchtime News, I am Teresa Mutai.